Hi traders, we're looking at trading the falling knife method on the dollar yen. This is a 4-hour chart and we've got this key area of support. CSP act as resistance and support along the way here. And if we have a look at this little upswing here, we take our fib retracement tool and we take it from the swing low up to the swing high. You'll see we have a 161 Fibonacci extension lining up with this key area of support. So I've placed my limit order at this area just above that Fibonacci extension with my stop loss below the 2.0 Fibonacci extension. Alright, so we've just been filled on this trade. We're currently just under 4 pips up at the moment. Nice little bounce off this area. This is where we're looking for buyers to come in at. And what I'll do is just take a fib tool and draw it from the swing high down to the swing low. Just pay attention to these fib retracements. That's around 60 pips. And we also have obviously got this area right over here. This is the first level of resistance. You can see it's flipped from support to resistance previously. So that's a key area that I want to look at taking some profits. Currently just short of 7 pips up at the moment. So 13 pips, nice little bounce off this level. This is what you're expecting off these areas. 20 pips up at the moment. Nice little pop off this area. You can see it's a pretty small drawdown. Right, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just move my take profit to this first level of resistance. And with this pop up now, currently 20 odd pips up, we're going to get the risk out. Reduce the risk, should I say, just below this swing low area. So we've now got a decent risk reward on the trade, and it looks like we should get paid on this a few more pips, and we'll get paid on this nice powerful momentum move coming off this key Fibonacci extension. Just starting to stall out a little bit here, so I've just taken my profits. It was just 37 pips, a nice little trade there into that key of resistance. We could get a pop up, but as I said, don't be greedy with counter trade trades.